FlytBase and Iris automation partner for safe automated BVLOS drone-in-a-box operations. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Enterprise drone autonomy platform provider FlytBase has announced a partnership with safety avionics technology leader Iris Automation that will see the integration of FlytBase FlytNow with Iris Automation's Casia G ground-based detect and alert system, allowing for safe BVLOS flights. The Casia G ground-based surveillance system continuously monitors airspace to guarantee the safety of UAS operations from intruder aircraft. Using Iris AI and computer vision technology, its sensors grant a full optical, 360 degrees field of view for locating any aircraft within a 2 km radius. As a ground-based solution, Casia G does not require weighing down the drone with additional payload. By using additional units, the solution's monitoring range can be extended to form a network of detection nodes and a mesh. FlytNow is a cloud-based software platform enabling drone operators to carry out autonomous BVLOS operations with drone-in-a-box systems from remote command centers. With the new integration, the FlytNow dashboard can display real-time Casia G system data, including the intrusive aircraft's type and location and live telemetry. Remote drone operators are able to see the sensor's location, status and radius, and receive real-time alerts if an unauthorized aircraft is detected. In addition to its integration with Casia G, FlytNow also grants a range of safety features to enable safe flight operations. Should an emergency occur, multiple fail-safe events and associated behaviors can be configured, automatically returning the drone to the docking station upon being triggered. The remote operator is also able to upload and create no-fly zones to prevent the drone from entering restricted or prohibited airspace. As the drone industry propels forward, providing an enterprise-grade scalable platform for BVLOS operations has become more critical than ever, said FlytBase founder and CEO Nitin Gupta. Collaborations between complementary technology providers will become increasingly important as we continue to add more safety features to FlytNow. The Casia G ground-based detect and avoid system fills a critical gap in enabling risk-free BVLOS flights. The need for mitigating the risk of airborne collisions is as important as ever as drone operations become increasingly more streamlined and automated, said Iris Automation CEO John Damash. With the integration of the Iris Casia G system into the FlytNow platform, we are demonstrating a complete visualization of the airspace, including both cooperative and non-cooperative aircraft. This opens the door for safe and efficient BVLOS operations for DIB platforms that remove the human from the loop, a critical step towards supporting operational scale and economic benefit.